Applying to U.S. graduate programs from Bangladesh? You'll need your transcripts evaluated to match the U.S. education system. Here's a quick guide to help you through the process. First, choose a recognized credential evaluation service. Popular options include World Education Services, or WES, Educational Credential Evaluators, and SpanTran. Next, gather your official transcripts, degree certificates, and possibly syllabi. Don't forget your passport copy. Then, create an account on the evaluation agency's website, like west.org, and select graduate admissions as your purpose. Submit your application, upload documents, and pay the fee online. Ensure your transcripts are sent directly by your institution, possibly needing attestation by your university and the Ministry of Education. Track your evaluation status online and consider rush services for faster processing. Finally, receive your evaluation report and forward it to your prospective university. Evaluation fees range from $100 to $300 with additional costs for rush services and extra reports. Remember, courier fees and document attestation costs may apply. Some universities accept digital reports, reducing mailing delays.